Hi, I'm Oliver Stacey, one of the Senior Qualifications Managers at Qualifications Wales, working on our Qualified for the Future project. The introduction of the innovative, expansive and forward-thinking new curriculum later this year represents a really important milestone in Wales's education reform journey. We know that qualifications form an important part of a learner's education experience in upper secondary school, and that qualifications have the potential to exert a significant influence on the way the curriculum is delivered to and experienced by learners, particularly those in years 10 and 11. As a result of this, we want qualifications taken by 16-year-olds, such as GCSEs, to really relate to and support the new curriculum framework and facilitate rather than constrain its implementation in schools. Therefore, the current programme of reform represents a great opportunity to rethink GCSE qualifications within the context of Curriculum for Wales. For example, in relation to the purposes of GCSEs, the content included within them, and also how they are assessed. The process of rethinking GCSEs to align to the new curriculum is complex. There are many competing factors to consider when developing new GCSEs. These include how the qualifications can be designed to ensure they are accessible and inclusive to a very broad and diverse range of learners, how they strike the right balance between the knowledge, skills and experiences outlined in the curriculum framework, how they can help learners to realise the full purposes of the new curriculum, how they can reflect the flexibility of the new curriculum whilst also maintaining fairness and national comparability across schools, how they can help learners to develop the skills they need for life, learning and work in an ever-changing world, and how qualification assessments can fully reflect what really matters within a subject in relevant and meaningful ways. When designing GCSEs, a careful balance needs to be struck between each of these factors. With this in mind, we are really interested to hear your views as part of this national network conversation on how qualifications such as GCSEs could be reimagined to align with Curriculum for Wales and support its implementation. Thank you.